Hey there, ladies and gents. So I had a question about body positioning. How do I position my body while I'm welding? So first thing, you definitely want something solid to lean up against, okay? So that's the first thing I do. Get your main body supported and steady. Then I like to prop my elbow up on something, like here in this case, obviously the vise, and rest my stinger hand on my other hand. You can either do it this way or you can use the pinky. I'll do that a lot too. I'll just lay my pinky there and just rest, just kind of do that. I like the hang loose symbol. And then just rest it on my thumb there, and then as your rod's burning, you can just let it come down like that, and that helps your rod stay consistent like that. Before you start, always do a dry run like I just did. Like if I'm going to start over here, I position myself how I think I'm going to do it, and I would pretend like I fire up, and I just do a dry run. You know, just do it like this. Let it go across the edge of the metal if you can. Depends on what you're welding on. If you're practicing, you should have a plate like this, similar. So anyway, just do a dry run and make sure you're going to be comfortable the whole length of the rod that you're burning. Just get as comfortable as you can. Being comfortable is a huge deal. It's a must, especially when you're learning. Just get as comfortable as you can. Whatever helps, whatever works for you. If there's something else you need, you can, I've seen guys, and I've done it myself, get like some vice grips and clamp on the plate to rest their hand on. That's a really good idea. Easy way, just about everybody has some vice grips or some kind of clamp laying around. You can clamp something on there, something to rest your arm or hand on. Just whatever makes it easy for you. Also, I know this is a 332, and they're a little flimsy, you know, so choking up on it, you know, just a few inches helps a big deal. You can do that. Just fold that around. Make sure you knock the flux off good in there so you're getting a good connection. Shortens up the rod and makes it a big difference. Makes it a lot easier, especially when you're learning. So you can do that. Just like I said, there's many ways to do it. Just whatever works best for you. Try a bunch of different ways, and whatever makes you comfortable. You got to be comfortable to make good, consistent, good-looking beads. So anyway, hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If there's anything you want to learn next about stick welding, leave them in the comments, and I'll try to make you a video. Thanks.